Meaning of cyclical. Cyclical. Cyclical.
Cyclical. Cyclical. The term cyclical refers to something that occurs in cycles or repeated patterns over a period of time. In economics, it commonly refers to the pattern of expansion, growth, and contraction, decline, of an economy. Cyclical fluctuations in economic activity are part of the normal business cycle and are driven by factors such as changes in consumer spending, investment, and government policies. These cycles can have significant impacts on employment, income, and overall economic well-being. Understanding cyclical trends is important for policymakers, investors, and individuals alike when making decisions about the future.